As your workflows become more advanced, you may find yourself creating multiple rules that all start the same way, but lead to different outcomes. Over time, this can become difficult to manage, but branching rules help solve that problem. In Front, branching rules allow you to build one rule with multiple paths, so Front can evaluate conditions and choose the correct outcome automatically, like a decision tree. To get started, an admin can click into Settings and select Rules and Macros, then Create Rule. Either select a rule template from the library or click here to create a custom branching rule. In this example, we'll build a rule to route customers to the correct place depending on their plan tier. When it comes to billing-related questions, you want to route enterprise tier customers to their dedicated account manager, professional tier customers to the billing team, and all other customers can remain in the support team inbox for further assistance. Once you name your rule, you'll choose your trigger, when an inbound message is received. Next, click the plus icon to add your conditions and select Branch by Condition. We'll first add branches to ensure the rule acts on conversations that are billing related. Click Add Condition and create a condition for when the message body contains keywords like billing, payment, or refund. You can add any additional conditions you'd like. Next, click the plus icon again to add another decision tree branch for all conversations that are billing related. Click Add Condition and then search for the condition that fits your needs. In our case, we want to branch based on a custom account field, which is account type. Please note that you'll need to create any custom fields prior to creating the rule. Fill in the condition information, if account type contains enterprise plan. Next, we'll add another branch, if account type contains professional plan. Save the condition branches to proceed. Now we'll add in the action that should occur when the conditions for each branch are met. For our enterprise plan customers, we will assign based on account custom field, account manager, so that they are routed directly to the account manager who's responsible for their account. We'll also add the tag billing so that we can track data on all billing-related inquiries. For our professional plan customers, we'll click Add Action to choose our outcome for this branch. The action here will be to move the conversation to the billing team inbox and also tag with billing. For all other customers who are not assigned the enterprise plan or professional plan account type custom field, they'll be moved to the support team inbox. So, zooming out here, we can review our full rule. When an inbound message arrives, it will first be analyzed to see if it meets the parameters to categorize it as a billing-related conversation. If yes, then it will be analyzed to see whether it's an enterprise plan or professional plan tier account based on the custom account fields related to that contact. From there, the conversation will either be assigned to a dedicated account manager, moved to the billing team inbox, or moved to the support team inbox for further action. As you can see, branching rules have the potential to run complex logic and workflows all within one rule, making it easier for you to automate as you scale your operations with Front.